Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying licenses and admin roles so you can enable protections. This matters because features depend on E5 or Defender add-ons. Next, sign into Microsoft 365 Defender and grant the required permissions. Once done, check MX and SBF DNS records to confirm mail routes through Exchange Online, incorrect DNS break scanning. Finally, prepare a test mailbox to validate changes. This step lets you confirm mail flow and initial policy effects without risking production users. You now build the core defenses: anti-phishing, safe attachments, and safe links. Start with anti-phishing templates. Enable mailbox intelligence and add high-risk senders or domains to impersonation exceptions so false positives drop. Then configure safe attachments. Use dynamic delivery for minimal user impact or block for strict environments, because each choice balances security versus usability. Configure safe links policies to rewrite URLs and track clicks. Finally, add mail flow rules and quarantine actions to capture messages. Finish by validating and monitoring. Send crafted test messages and run phishing simulations so you verify detections and user notifications. Monitor Threat Explorer, Quarantine, and Secure Score to measure effectiveness, and enable automated investigation and response playbooks to reduce manual work. Make sure connectors and transport rule ordering match your intended flow. Misordered rules or duplicate external filters often cause missing mail. If things go wrong, check connectors, rule priorities, and quarantine logs first. Those usually reveal the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.